We do not achieve what we want, but rather what we believe is possible. It is our natural right to be and to possess abundance. You came into the world to have an exceptional life filled with happiness and prosperity. We are here to believe in the mental, spiritual, and material aspects. If any of these three elements fail, we do not live fully. Because why would we settle for the minimum when it is our right to possess all the riches of the universe? If you are a parent, you will know what you wish for your child. I'm sure you desire the best and would never give less to your beloved child. So think the same way. The universe or God, who is our creator, wants the same for you. We are all born with the purpose of realizing our dreams. And when that does not happen, it is because something is going on inside us and not around us. The main reason some people achieve their desires and others do not is that those who succeed continuously prepare and strive to become what they desire, while others merely dream and end up settling. There is a method to transform any desire for prosperity and personal success into reality. This methodology is called the power of manifestation. This will help you discover your true identity and elevate your consciousness to the level where your desires are achieved. To detail a bit more, the power of manifestation is a practice that involves visualizing your goals, aligning your actions with your intentions, and deeply believing that you deserve everything you desire. This is not a magical solution, but rather a profound change in mindset and behavior that allows you to move towards your dreams with confidence and determination. Thus, day by day, by keeping your mind focused and your heart open, you'll begin to attract the opportunities and resources necessary to turn your dreams into reality. If you seek to promote transformations in your existence, this video will be extremely useful in understanding the long-forgotten secret of this inner power we all possess. Moreover, it will teach you how to apply it in your journey of personal change. Let's explore something as influential as wisdom can act as a catalyst in various aspects of life: spiritual growth, personal development, prosperity, and financial understanding. This wisdom can not only boost individual and professional success, but also be the key to choosing and defining your dreams and an ideal life. To go beyond, it is indispensable to learn to manage that inner power that resides in the recesses of our subconscious, the power of manifestation. This power of manifestation is essential knowledge for achieving success in all areas of our existence. When we understand and apply this power correctly, it can potentially revolutionize the way we live and visualize our goals. Now, the crucial question is, why do we not achieve success? Why do we fail to obtain what we desire? The short and straightforward answer would be that people do not get what they aim for because they end up neglecting or giving up on this power they have within themselves, the power that can turn those desires into reality. This power is the very essence of who we are. Often, human beings are unaware of their own being and the potential with which they can manifest their desires. Even worse, many do not even have a clear notion of who they are or what they are capable of. When we start to know more deeply our identity and inherent power, we begin to envision a new way of living where our desires and dreams seem more attainable. It is a process that requires time and dedication, but it is absolutely possible and rewarding. Therefore, allow yourself to dive into this journey of self-knowledge and exploration of the power of manifestation to truly transform your lives. Do not give up on your ability to create and transform. Remain conscious and present. The fundamental purpose of life is to awaken to our true potential. We are creative beings, and we are constantly generating what we desire or not based on our feelings, intentions, and the focus of our attention. It is through these forces that we manifest our reality. I encourage you to discover and activate the manifestation powers that already exist within you. For that, it is important to set aside some beliefs and preconceived notions you have about the world, as what comes next will require you to be completely open and receptive. Have. Firstly, let's talk about the power of declaring. Declaring is more than just affirming something. It is speaking with conviction and with feelings that give strength and life to your words. Imagine that words are waves of energy, and that the universe responds to these waves. By changing your vocabulary and using words with higher vibrations, you transform your reality accordingly, because the law of the power of the word is powerful and inevitable. What you verbalize creates realities that often defy imagination. The first step is to make declarations starting with I am. Then it is necessary to add the desired intention to this expression. When you say I am, you are activating a potent energy within yourself. It is not just a loose phrase. Every time you decrease something like I am prosperous or I am healthy, you are sending a clear message to the universe and creating a vibration that attracts everything that is in tune with that declaration. Therefore, it is important to choose your words carefully and always align your decrees with what you truly wish to manifest in your life. The transformation begins within you in your thoughts, feelings, and especially in your words. Second, the force of I am. Every time you use the expression I am, you are defining and deciding how you want the great divine force to act in you. You are proclaiming with power over yourself and your surroundings. By saying this, you are recognizing and accepting the grand divine presence within yourself. Thus, every time I say I am fully aware and conscious of what I am affirming. This is like giving a clear order to the universe about what you want to experience and manifest in your life. Third, the power of abundance. People generally pay more attention to what they do not want than to what they truly want. Always remember that the universe, which is an infinite field of possibilities, captures all your intentions. It forgets nothing, and nothing you think or feel is lost. It is as if it can read your mind as if it were an open book. You do not need to speak to it, as it already knows everything even before you think. If something is not manifesting in your life, you are the only one blocking it. Change your focus of attention now to what you really desire, instead of concentrating on what you do not want. Fourth, the power of imagination. The law of creative imagination says that imagination can create realities. If you can imagine something, then you can achieve it in your life. The senses can trap us in a limited reality, but imagination frees us from these limitations. However, merely imagining is not enough. Imagination needs to be accompanied by feelings, clear visualizations, and a conviction in the final result you desire. Additionally, inspired action is important to transform these visions into reality. To use imagination creatively, you need to project a future beyond what is present. Imagination is what builds the world around you. Think of the world as a stage where life is a play, and you are the director of this play. What is the ideal scenario for your life? You should already be living that in your imagination, creating all the details and feeling what it would be like to live that ideal reality. Fifth, the power of emotions. Feeling intensely elevates your desires to the level of realization. Feeling is the essential component to making your intentions come true. Emotions are never the problem. On the contrary, they are clear signals that indicate without error what we are manifesting in our lives. It is simple. If you feel good, you are attracting what you want. If you feel bad, you are attracting what you do not want. Thus, it is not just what you desire that manifests, but what you are, your emotional vibration, which reflects what you think, do, say, and feel. In other words, your internal state of being. 6. The power of gratitude. Faith is the foundation of desires already realized. It is the internal proof of what is not yet seen in the material world. Being grateful for something that is not yet part of your current experience is like opening the doors for it to manifest. Feeling grateful in advance is natural for those who are sure that what they desire is on the way. Gratitude, regardless of visible results, generates significant changes in your mind and the way you see the world. 7th, the power of prayer. Prayer is an extremely powerful practice, but it often needs to be relearned. Normally, people pray asking for something from a place of scarcity and denying their own power to create what is best for themselves. Instead, when praying, feel as if your desire has already been fulfilled and allow things to materialize. In this way, your desires will come true without exception. It is essential that you know that every prayer receives an answer, and this answer comes at the same level of understanding from where the prayer was made. To facilitate this process, the key is to be thankful during prayer for something you will soon have, as if it were already a reality present in your life. These forces, emotion, gratitude, and prayer, when understood and applied, can profoundly transform your life experience, providing not only the realization of your desires, but also a new way of perceiving and interacting with the world around you. 8. The power of detachment. In the end, the results themselves are less important. What is most relevant is the person you become while pursuing and working on them. Results can be exhausted, disappear, be lost. This is natural and indeed will happen. However, the process you go through, the lessons you learn, and the personal growth you experience will always remain with you as they become integral parts of your mental structure. Desires arise and fade, and results may or may not be achieved. But while you are pursuing these goals, something much more important is at stake: the expansion of your consciousness. Detachment is the first step to true receptivity. With the power of detachment, we free our rigid expectations about how things should be and when they should happen. In other words, when you ask for something and pray for it, do not impose conditions except that if the desire does not come true, now it is okay. There will be other opportunities. Practice detachment every day, and you will see your life experience enter a new dimension, a beautiful and powerful dimension where manifestation flows more naturally and easily. Even though specific goals may change or results may not be exactly as we imagined, the journey itself is what matters. This process of detachment allows you to live more freely and accept new possibilities that you may never have considered. This is an invitation to trust the flow of life and understand that everything happens at the right time and in the right way. The evidence that you can manifest anything you desire is the fact that you have attracted this video into your dream. This video serves as a reminder to awaken you to your true reality. Congratulations, you have already awakened to a new vision of yourself and the world around you. Welcome to the reality where conscious manifestation is possible, and you are the creator of your own life experience. You who have come this far. This shows that you are a resilient person and deserve all the prosperity that this world has to offer. So comment until the end, and I will be leaving a heart in your comment, which proves your resilience. But don't leave the video just yet. Here on the screen, I will be leaving 2 of my recommendations to add even more value to your knowledge. So go watch it now.